Imagine a land where the sun kisses the towering Andes, where ancient civilizations whisper tales of glory, where vibrant cultures, diverse landscapes, and culinary delights intertwine. Welcome to Peru, a country that's a chorus of colors, a symphony of sounds, and a dance of diverse landscapes. From the arid plains of the Pacific coastal region to the peaks of the Andes and the tropical Amazon basin, Peru's beauty is as diverse as it is breathtaking. Let's delve into its rich history, a tapestry woven with the threads of the Inca Empire, Spanish conquest, and modern-day vibrancy. It's a history that's etched into the faces of its people, the architecture of its cities, and the traditions that pulse through its streets. Peru's culture is a vibrant blend of old and new, a harmonious fusion of influences from the indigenous peoples, the Spanish, and the many immigrants who have made Peru their home. An adventure in Peru promises to be a feast for your senses and a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. Begin your Peruvian journey in Lima, a city where the old and the new coexist in harmony. Known as the City of Kings, Lima is a melting pot of history, tradition, and modernity. In the heart of the city lies its historical center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where grand colonial buildings stand as testaments to a rich past. But Lima isn't just about the past. It's also a gastronomic powerhouse, boasting a world-renowned culinary scene. Here, you can indulge in the city's fusion of indigenous Spanish, African, and Asian influences, a true testament to Lima's multicultural heritage. Don't forget to visit the Larco Museum, home to a stunning collection of pre-Columbian art. And as you stroll around the trendy Miraflores district, you'll find yourself surrounded by lush gardens, upscale boutiques, and charming cafes. As the sun sets, Lima's nightlife comes alive, offering a taste of Peru's vibrant culture and warm hospitality. Next, we venture into the heart of the Incan Empire, Cusco, and the enchanting Sacred Valley. As our journey unfolds, we find ourselves in Cusco, a city that whispers tales of its Incan past. Marvel at the architectural grandeur of the Cusco Cathedral, a testament to the city's rich history. Just a stone's throw away, we explore the fortress of Sacsayhuaman, where giant boulders, pieced together with precision, tell a story of ancient ingenuity. Our next stop, the bustling Pizek Market, is a vibrant explosion of colors and culture. Here, one can't help but be drawn to the intricate weavings and handcrafted souvenirs that embody the spirit of the Andean people. We end our exploration at the Ollantaytambo ruins, a living museum that echoes the footsteps of the Incas. From the towering terraces to the intricate stone buildings, every corner of this archaeological site is a glimpse into Peru's glorious past. Immerse yourself in the mystical allure of the Sacred Valley, where history, culture, and natural beauty blend seamlessly. No trip to Peru is complete without a visit to the awe-inspiring Machu Picchu. As the crown jewel of the Incan Empire, this ancient city is a sight to behold. Our journey starts with a scenic train ride to Aguas Calientes, a quaint town nestled in the shadows of the Andes. From there we embark on a hike, the air growing thinner as we ascend, the anticipation building. The first glimpse of Machu Picchu, shrouded in mist, is an unforgettable moment. We traverse the iconic ruins, each stone whispering tales of a civilization steeped in mystery and grandeur. The Temple of the Sun, the Intihuatana stone, the Room of the Three Windows, each structure a testament to Incan architectural prowess. As dawn breaks, we marvel at the stunning sunrise over the Andes, the city bathed in a golden glow. Machu Picchu, a testament to Incan ingenuity, stands as a poignant reminder of the grandeur of a bygone era. As our Peruvian adventure draws to a close, we return to Lima. This bustling capital city offers a delightful mix of the old and new, the historic and modern. And today, we get to explore its modern districts, each with its own distinct charm. First, we stroll through the vibrant streets of Barranco, known for its bohemian spirit and colorful murals. Here you'll find unique boutiques and art galleries, perfect for those last-minute souvenirs. Next, we head to San Isidro, an upscale district brimming with lush parks and high-end shopping avenues. This is a great place to pick up some gourmet chocolates or fine Peruvian textiles. As the day comes to an end, we find ourselves at one of Lima's top restaurants, savoring the flavors of Peru one last time. With a pisco sour in hand and ceviche on the plate, we toast to a week well spent. As you bid adieu to Peru, you carry home not just souvenirs, but a piece of this beautiful country etched in your heart. A week in Peru encapsulates a lifetime of experiences. From the bustling streets of Lima, known as the City of Kings, to the historic charm of Cusco and the Sacred Valley, we've journeyed through a land that is as diverse as it is beautiful. Lima, with its colonial architecture and modern culinary scene, has set the tone for our adventure. The city's vibrant energy has been a constant companion, reminding us of the rich history that Peru embodies. Then the journey took us to Cusco and the Sacred Valley. These places are not just about the stunning landscapes, but also about the people who carry the legacy of the Incas with them, weaving it into their daily lives. And finally, the majestic Machu Picchu. The lost city of the Incas is a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of a civilization that thrived in these mountains centuries ago. Peru, a country where every corner tells a story, awaits your discovery. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming.